President Uhuru Kenyatta's much-awaited tour of Ukambani counties of Machakos, Kitui and Makueni has been called off as the office of the president cites fear of development towards spreading the Covid-19 virus in the region.
The COVID concern is of course vital for purposes of not spreading the virus, but more importantly, we need to get very organized about what the president will do so that then it is effective, it has impact, and it makes a change. Because all of us assume that from where we are now, it is possibly the last visit you will see of the president into that scale into Ukambani region.
President Uhuru Kenyatta's visit to Ukambani has had leaders from the region pulling in different directions, as the governors of the three counties, Dr. Alfred Mutua from Machakos, Makueni's Professor Kivutha Kibwana, and Kitui's Charity Ngilu sought to advance a development agenda, pushing Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka to the periphery.
Kwa sababu kuna viongozi wengine pia wanapenda tu kuonekana. Lakini ukimuuliza amefanya nini, haizi kuonyesha. Wangependa tu kuonekana ni hao, kuonekana wako na president, lakini watu wetu wanaachwa na njaa.
Ni wakati kwanza tumalize mula wa maendeleo, alafu wakati wa siasa utafika.
Sources intimate that the supremacy contest pitting the three governors against Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka could be another reason for the postponement of the tour.
But it's not a major difference that I've read in the press that we fought, disagreed. No, it's just a question of you have 2 days with the president, you have county, national government projects existing, ongoing, complete. We want to show him new things so that we can get additional budgets here and there. And governors want to also showcase what they have done. So that, of course, creates all sorts of conflicts.
According to the leadership of the region, a new date has been set for the president's visit.
We have a date of 29th of July, and we have another meeting, possibly with the head of state this week, to again sort out finalize the program and finalize the projects. We have a heap of documents which we want to present to the president so that we can tick the boxes with the ministries, so that by the time we go there, we are ready to answer all the questions that public are asking us.
The cancellation of the Tuesday tour caused disquiet after the Nyanza Region Development Tour just before the Madaraka Day celebrations in Kisumu. A section of leaders in the moribund NASA coalition raised concerns over perceived unfair distribution of handshake goodies. Jeff Kirui, KTN News.